Hello everyone, my name is Chef Dan Cheverini and Chef Kevin Pritz here. Welcome to Spirit Week at RMU. Today we're going to demonstrate on about a tablespoon of oil, canola oil or olive oil, your preference. We're going to saute these, get them nice caramelized. A little sugar, help speed up the caramelization process.
So yeah, we're just going to let those go low and slow. You don't want to rush them. So once your caramelized or your onions are almost caramelized, what you want to add is your balsamic towards the end. You don't want to add it too early because it'll tend to burn. And you don't want that smell.
You have a bad bitter taste. So now we have our caramelized onions completed. We're going to start our barbecue sauce, which consists of apple cider vinegar, gives a little caramelization to the sauce, a little sweetness to the sauce, a little acidity to the sauce. So I don't know if you're aware or noticed like how we measure things, but we've made this recipe numerous times in the kitchen. So I just want to let you know to please follow the recipe that you were given with the proper amounts and so on and so forth, so you get a superior product. Once you have all the ingredients in there, bring it to a boil and turn it down to a simmer. Let it simmer for about a half hour, 45 minutes. Slow and low is the process, so you don't want to scorch it. You just want all the flavors to marry. So now that you have all your ingredients completely cooked, now it's time to assemble the sandwich.
You make that sandwich, and we hope you enjoyed the watching us cook and put it together for you guys, and we hope you enjoy it.